top of all this, disturbing details about Willis came out in court today as he was ordered to stand trial for the June 2014 murder of Rebekah Bletsch. Willis was arraigned in May on charges of open murder and felony firearms in connection to that killing. Neighbors found Bletsch lying alongside a road north of Muskegon. 24-Hour News 8's Ken Kolker was in the courtroom today. He's joining us live tonight with the shocking courtroom revelations. Ken?
You know, he was actually ordered to stand trial today in the Bletsch homicide. But before that ruling was made, perhaps the most disturbing details that came out of that hearing were what police say they found on Jeffrey Willis's home computer.
There were a lot of disturbing files that were located.
They include what police called, quote-unquote, kidnap and kill videos, graphic videos downloaded from the internet.
Where at the end of them, they murder. They show this in a acting way, and we also found videos that show this that are not acted.
Real life.
They're real life.
After the hearing, prosecutor DJ Hilson said police don't know who those victims are or where they're from, but are working through national and international agencies to find out.
They will reach out to other channels to see if these particular videos have been identified.
State police said they found thousands of videos also downloaded from the internet showing necrophilia, sex with dead people. On the computer, police said they also found a subfolder entitled VICS, short for victims. That subfolder included a file entitled RSB, the initials of the victim.
Rebekah Sue Bletsch.
And they said they found a code that includes the date 6/29/14, the date that Rebekah Bletsch was killed. They said they also found photographs of Bletsch along with wanted posters from her case. And police said they found a photograph of a woman that resembled Bletsch on a bed. Rebekah Bletsch's family filled the courtroom, including her sisters and father, who said they had been warned of the graphic details.
That's the part that I want to see. Justice, you know. I mean, she can't speak for, you know, but I can.
This man is a very disturbing individual, and I'm very glad that we were able to get him off the streets when we did. I can't imagine how many lives we've saved.
Now, the next step for Willis is trial here in Muskegon County Circuit Court on both that murder charge and for that kidnapping charge. Live in Muskegon, Ken Kolker, 24-Hour News 8.
Now, Ken, what unsettling details coming out in court today. Can you tell us a little bit more about these murder videos that we heard people talking about in court today, and whether or not investigators have even seen those?
Yeah, well, they have seen those, and I mean, that's why DJ Hilson, the prosecutor, calls this so disturbing. And the fact that they say that there are real people, real victims and real killers in those videos, that they're not sure they've been identified. Now, to make it clear, those came from the internet. They weren't, police say they weren't produced by Jeffrey Willis, but he had apparently downloaded those from the internet.
Oh, so disturbing. Okay, Ken Kolker, thank you for that live report. And of course, as always, our coverage continues on woodtv.com with complete coverage of the entire Willis investigation, including a detailed timeline of events. We also have several crews working to continue breaking exclusive developments in this case. We'll have the very latest for you tonight on News 8 at 11.